So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, if you're using a Bluetooth mouse, then you want to expand human interface devices. And now in this list, it should now be saying Bluetooth HD device or something along those lines. And now once you find Bluetooth HD device, this should be your Bluetooth mouse. Once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on properties. Now you're going to click on the power management tab. Make sure you have both these options right here unticked. Allow this device to wake the computer, you want to untick this, and allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, you want to untick this. So you want to untick both of these and then click on OK. If you're using a different type of mouse, such as like a wired mouse or just any other mouse, instead you want to expand mouse and other points and devices. Now you want to find your mouse, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties. Now you want to select power management, and then do the same thing, you want to untick both these options right here, and then click on OK. That's how you do it. And as a bonus, you could also do the same thing for keyboards as well.